بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Current track. Current track shows the path you are recording in real time as you move. How to record track. Go to Track Manager and start recording. Walk or travel, and your device will automatically record your path. How to save track. After finishing, select Save Track to store your route for later use. How to view track. Open Track Manager, select a saved track, and view it on the map anytime. Base map. A base map is the main background map on your device. How to download base map. Download a compatible map file from the internet and transfer it to your Garmin device. How to use base map. Copy the map file into the Garmin folder on your device, then enable it from map settings. Now you're ready to record, save, and explore with your Garmin. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.